Habis kena bikin patai kubur Chief Electoral Officer Kejelau beri kemi ekatran election Dr. BDR Tiwari. Ulong bayar ke draft electoral roll kadiga belapen mi bat kebalong kum kajing sedang ya kesamoi jong kajingkam ba kajing persya ne claims and objections naduk kesantrik unailar haduk kesautrik unailur arhajar arpun riau. Yakni ketop kerteng kidong tap vote la banyo ni ke office jong ki electoral registration officer, assistant electoral registration officer ki jaka tap vote bat ki jaka beladat bad itu. Yakni ketop kerteng la dap ru bansam syaki sengsan pertai ki beli ojing itu ki clear nong sensyar kentup ki dorbar bagi nokma mari ketop kerteng ke bapura anspen mi hakah nyotrik urisau hadian bala pendap ya ke claims and objections. Ulong bagi nok senong ki ban sekenjok kat prasnam kerta halani sywa kshetrik urisau arhajar arpun riau kila abad IT no lupai ki application ki jongki lengbaga form 6. Keterangan election kala pendap ke jengli derung haman lagi yang disem jokin repotli ki constituency jong kejela. Kabadan arpulai lak saupu kendai hajar nreus pa saupu sangut kinong tap vote. Hari ni kejeng tumu ban penbet renti ektup kerteng kinong tap vote. Kladan nyolak nyopusan hajar nreus pa nreus sangut kinong tap vote. Kata lai pulai point not iwenek shispa. Kibala sya map. Bad katwilak nyopo hajar nyospa kendai pu arngut kinong tap vote. Kata saupu kendai point pralai nek shispa. Kibala penyeso akum ki progeny. Tani kebedan jingedai baki kemi ki kepa ne kemi iet kepa iet. Dan kebenaran kam ya ka SIR Arhajarsan database. Ndrai arlak arpu arhajar nyospa prapun reungut yang tak buat kim semlala ban penyesok bagi rekod jong kesenam arhajarsan balabono eki ha ke kerdan no mapping. Kum ta kini kinong tak buat kin hak bandat mi ha ki jaka ki ban sepenlong ya ka hearing ban IT ki kot kislai ke bakongsan ban pensisha. Ha kani kejeng penbet thamai ke dalam syah kejeng syaweng jong ki silak prapo hajar sauspa arngut kinong tak buat kata nyo point nrupra nak shispa hapo jong kekerdan absent shifted disease and duplicate ASDD bat kini kentop ya ki prapu hajar sauspa kendai pongut kinong tap vote ki bala klakno saupusan hajar khatwingut ki bala pep ne ki ba amla banlap satya saupu hajar sanspa lai pu arngut ki bala kendria ano ki pak ki jaka nriu hajar nyospa iwengut ki bahap kum ki duplicate bat sau hajar nruspa anrup prangut ki bala kentat ban pendrung kerteng. Kejengdan mencua kejelai kinong tap vote kalong ar pulai lak saup kendai hajar nreus pa saupusan ngut dayadin kejeng penbet thamai kindan no ar pulai lak nreu kendai hajar ar spa saupulai ngut kinong tap vote.
In this year SIR 2026 it involved an intensive house to house verification exercise carried out by the election machinery across the state. The exercise achieved 100% distribution and digitization of enumeration form covering all 23,49,645 electors in the state. The SIR has enabled comprehensive verification and digitization of state's electoral database, and out of total 23,49,645, 7,75,665 electors, that is 33.01%, have been successfully mapped as self with their own electoral record linked to the Special Intensive Revision 2005 database. 11,70,792 electors covering 49.83% have been mapped as progeny with their records linked to the electoral roll of their parents or grandparents available in the SIR 2005 database. Remaining 2,22,786 electors could not be linked with the SIR 2005 records and have been categorized under the no mapping category. These cases will undergo detailed verification during the notice phase, disposal of claim and objection, which is starting from today. During this enumeration phase, total 1,80,402 electors, that is 7.68% of total electors, were identified under absent, shifted, diseased and duplicate ASDD categories. The category-wise details are: diseased are 81,490, that is 3.47%. Untraceable are absent are 45,011, that is 1.92%. Permanently shifted 42,532 or 1.81% of electoral roll. there are 4,668, which is 0.20%, who refused to take enumeration forms, and total 6,701, which is 0.29%, they are indicated as duplicate, means already enrolled somewhere. Based on the verification completed during the house-to-house exercise, the electoral roll 2026 contains 21,69,243 electors, comprising 10,53,039 male electors, 11,16,199 female electors, and 5 third gender electors. The Election Commission of India has approved the rationalization of polling station in Meghalaya, resulting the creation of 86 new polling stations, and this time the electors upper cap is 1200 per booth, the limit is, and total number of polling stations in the state of Meghalaya has increased now from 3,551 to 3,637. As once we started SIR exercise, that time the 3,551 polling stations were there, but we have published the draft for 3,636 polling stations, which is expected to enhance voter convenience and improve accessibility to polling stations across the state. We further reiterate that the draft electoral roll is not the final electoral roll. Every eligible elector have the opportunity to verify their particulars and file claims or objections during the statutory period from 5th August to 4th September, and authorities will dispose of all these claims in between 5th August till 3rd of October. So electors are advised to check their names also through this voter service portal, is http:/voter.eci.gov.in or http:/ceomeghalaya.nic.in.